wife, we were thinking about getting in the energy business. She looked at me like my dog looks at me sometimes. Like this way, right? She said, what are you talking about? We got a good company. Why are you messing with it? I said, well, how do you think we can triple our revenues over the next 10, 11 years, just like we've been in business 11 years? She goes, I don't know. It's a good question. How can we start fighting even more unfair? I mean, our two biggest competitors are AT&T and Verizon. Great companies, love them to death, but we want to smack them. So what's going to keep them on edge the next 10 years? And think about a business that spends $10,000 a month on network services, voice and data revenues, probably spends at least 2, 3, 4, 5 times more in energy. They really do. And they're really pretty similar businesses, you know, pass around bits and bytes and minutes of traffic, just like gas molecules, electrons. Same stuff, different industry. We know how to do this, right? So, let's get into it. So, our 98 prediction, we started the company. We thought that within 10 years, most of the telecom purchasing managers, those decisions would be made by the offices of the CIO. Were we right or wrong? Well, now telecom companies are selling data center services, network security, information storage, software. We bought a software company called Pinnacle back like 9 years ago. People looked at us crazy back then. But now we're leveraging that with the network business. So we think a lot of those decisions now are in the hands of the CIO. So, what's our today's prediction? We actually think that the majority of energy purchasing decisions in 10 years will be made by the CIOs in the companies. We really do. And why do we say that? Because who are you dealing with backup power and generators? Who are you talking to about stuff like that? And there's exceptions, you know, outside of major manufacturing. Our typical customer, you know, a couple hundred, couple thousand employees, they got a couple data centers. Who's their big energy hog in the companies? The CIOs. We've got people now that we do business with that have just been sort of plunked on their desk by their boss saying, you are going to build me a green data center. I don't know why, but my shareholders want it. I got to say I'm doing it. My customers like it. I got to put it